Am I wrong for refusing to do a client with Tourette's syndrome's nails? I, 26 female, am a commission-based nail technician, meaning I don't work for anyone but myself and only rent out a chair in a salon, which is where I work. I reserve every right to decline a client with good reason and have in the past. But something about this one is irking that I'm a bad person for it. Last week, a client came and sat in my chair after booking an appointment with me. This client did not state this anywhere in their appointment, but when they sat down and I was about to do their nails, they started to tick. I honestly didn't mean it, but I think I showed a little worry on my face as they explained their condition. They explained they have Tourette's and sometimes they have tics which move their hands. I nodded and they asked if it'd still be okay. I wanted to set a good impression and assumed it wouldn't be so bad, so I told them I would definitely try and asked them which design, colors, length, shape, etc. they'd like on them today. It got bad. Lately, a nail style, alternating ombre nails, has been going viral all over TikTok and other social media. This style includes Am I wrong for telling my sister that she should have aborted my niece when she had the chance? I grew up in a single-parent household with my mother and my half-sister Casey, who is 7 years younger than me. My mother struggled with drug abuse for the majority of her life, and as a result, I have no clue who my father is. Casey's father was also heavily into drugs and only stuck around for 3 years. I basically raised Casey because when my mom wasn't at work, she was either gone for days on end, holed up in her bedroom/bathroom doing drugs with whoever her boyfriend was at the time. I am now 31 and have no desire to have children after spending much of my youth caring for Casey. Casey unfortunately followed in my mother's footsteps in that she began excessively drinking, smoking, partying, etc. She enrolled in a university that's known for being a party school, but dropped out during her first year after getting pregnant with my niece. 14 weeks into Casey's pregnancy, we learned that the baby would likely be born with intellectual and physical disabilities. I am pro-choice and discussed abortion as an option with Casey, who at the time refused and assured me that she would love her baby no matter what disability she was born with. My niece is now 4 years old and is nonverbal with pretty severe cognitive delays and motor/sensory issues. My mother has been sober for about 5 years and has since come around to help out Casey with my niece. She feels bad about our poor upbringing and as a result enables Casey to continue partying and being an irresponsible parent.